The 20,000 can Datsuns der 25 per Datsun. Dacia Duster is being hailed for its incredible value, but what if I told you that 5 simple mistakes could turn this budget-friendly SUV into a financial headache? Many buyers make critical errors that end up costing them a fortune. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid these traps and ensure your Duster remains the bargain it's meant to be. Hey everyone, welcome to Supercar. Before we dive in, if you love getting the best tips and reviews on all things automotive, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Now let's get into the first mistake you absolutely need to avoid. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong engine or transmission. Your first major decision is under the hood, and getting it wrong can lead to a sluggish drive or a surprisingly high bill. So, which powertrain is a hidden money pit? The 20,000 all sind skinten Dylan Daumanifam. When Dawson Dialbafkam Stinta Duster offers a few engine options, and the choice isn't as simple as it seems. The entry-level 1.0-liter bi-fuel engine is economical, but can feel underpowered, especially on highways, forcing you to push it hard. This can lead to more engine strain over time. Then, there's the 1.6-liter full hybrid, which is the only automatic option. It sounds tempting, but it's significantly more expensive up front. While it offers electric-only driving in short bursts, its real-world fuel economy is only marginally better than the mild hybrid, and its complexity could lead to costlier repairs down the line. For most drivers, the sweet spot is the 1.2-liter turbo petrol with mild hybrid technology. It provides a great balance of performance and efficiency, comes with a reliable 6-speed manual, and avoids the high initial cost and potential long-term expenses of the full hybrid. Don't let the hybrid label fool you into overspending. Mistake number 2. Neglecting to pay attention to optional extras. Dacia's transparent pricing is a huge plus, but, the options list is where your budget can quickly spiral out of control. Are you about to pay for features you'll never use? The Duster comes in several trims, from the basic essential to the feature-packed Journey and Extreme. The Expression trim is often the best value, offering modern essentials like a reversing camera and a 10.1-inch touchscreen without the premium price of the top-tier models. The mistake many make is either getting swayed by high-end features they don't need, like 18-inch wheels or a 360-degree camera, or adding individual extras that inflate the cost. For example, extras like paint protection or premium sound systems add up fast. Before you tick any boxes, ask yourself if you truly need it. A key principle with a value-focused car like the Duster is to stick to what enhances your daily drive, and skip the expensive frills. Every unnecessary add-on chips away at the car's core advantage, its affordability. Mistake number 3. Forgetting to maintain the car properly. Thinking a budget car means you can skimp on maintenance? That's a recipe for disaster that can lead to repair bills that dwarf your initial savings. Even the most reliable car needs regular care, and the Duster is no exception. A huge mistake is ignoring the service schedule to save a little money in the short term. Simple tasks like regular oil changes are critical. Using poor quality oil or stretching the intervals can cause sludge buildup and premature wear on the engine's timing chain, potentially leading to catastrophic and expensive engine failure. Similarly, don't neglect your brakes. Worn-out brake pads can damage the rotors, turning a cheap pad replacement into a costly brake system overhaul. Also, remember to check and replace the air filter regularly. A clogged filter suffocates your engine, hurting both performance and fuel economy. Proper maintenance is not an expense, it's an investment in your car's longevity and your financial peace of mind. Mistake number 4. Ignoring fuel efficiency and driving habits. You chose a fuel-efficient car, but your bank account says otherwise. Could your driving style be secretly costing you hundreds of dollars a year at the pump? How you drive has a massive impact on fuel consumption. A heavy foot with rapid acceleration and harsh braking can slash your fuel economy by over 20%. The key to saving money is to drive smoothly, anticipate traffic, ease onto the accelerator, and coast to a stop when possible. Beyond your driving style, simple checks make a big difference. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance and make your engine work harder, so check your tire pressure monthly. Also, don't carry unnecessary weight in your car. Every extra pound hurts your mileage. Finally, avoid excessive idling. If you're going to be stopped for more than a minute, it's more efficient to turn the engine off. These habits cost you nothing to adopt but can save you a significant amount of money over the life of your Duster. Mistake number 5. Neglecting insurance and other hidden costs. You've negotiated a great price on the car, but honestly, the total cost of ownership is far more than just the sticker price. So what are the hidden costs waiting to ambush your budget? The final mistake is forgetting to budget for ongoing expenses. First, there's insurance. The Duster is affordable to insure, but, costs can really vary. A 4x4 model or a higher trim level can push you into a more expensive insurance group. Always get multiple quotes before you buy. Next up is road tax, which, varies based on your engine's emissions. Then there's depreciation. While the Duster holds its value well, it's still a pretty significant hidden cost. A car is a depreciating asset, and you should be prepared for how much value it'll lose over the years. Finally, set aside a budget for unexpected repairs. Even with a warranty, things like tires, key fobs, or minor damage aren't covered. A smart owner plans for these total costs of ownership, not just the monthly payment. Ignoring them is really how a budget car can slowly drain your wallet. So, there you have it. 5 critical mistakes to avoid with the 2025 Dacia Duster. Let's quickly recap. Number 1, choose the right engine, with the 1.2-liter mild hybrid often being the smartest financial choice. Number 2, be disciplined with optional extras, and stick to the trim level that offers the best value for your needs. Number 3, follow the maintenance schedule religiously to prevent massive repair bills. Number 4, drive smoothly and keep your car in top shape to maximize fuel efficiency. Number 5, budget for all hidden costs including insurance, tax, and depreciation. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can ensure your Dacia Duster is the fantastic, value-packed vehicle it's designed to be. It's a capable and reliable car that, with the right approach, will be a friend to you and your wallet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone considering a Duster. Don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more guides and reviews. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy driving!